What's going on, guys? It's GBP baby. Welcome to a trade execution video. Now this is a voiceover as I was unable to speak during the actual execution, but you'll see I actually shorted euro just before PPI, and I also shorted pound as well. You'll see that later on in the video, and I'll just explain the reasons for my shorts as we get through. So here I'm just showing you my execution, putting the executions on, and you'll see that we just took out buy side liquidity on euro, and we literally just traded into a breaker as well, so that's why I went short there. And you'll see right now I'm just marking out where I expect price to run to. Now if you're aware, price didn't actually manage to reach my take profit, which is unfortunate, but we did manage to get partials and to move our stop to a position that was below our original entry. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll catch you later in the video. So as you can see, at this point I did actually do split screen so that you could watch both euro USD delivered to the downside and GBP at the same time. And you'll see that PPI is just about to deliver right here. So that was PPI, and you can see that pound ran lower just as expected, and dollar aggressively traded higher, running up towards the buy stops that I had my eyes set on. So on the left you can see dollar rallying higher, and on the right you can see GBP moving lower. Now like I said, we didn't actually reach the targets I originally had. What you'll find is that I did actually take partials. So here is where I took partials. You can see I'm closing out half of my position. So this is euro, I'm closing out half here, and then I bought that back right there, and then I've done the exact same on pound. Now I want to make clear, it's not the amount, so don't worry about the amount I have on the actual positions. This is a demo account. The point is I'm taking the partials at significant points, and I'm showing you that this needs to be done for you to again be profitable. And right there you saw I also moved my stop loss. You can see that my stop loss is now below my original entry, so I'm now in a completely funded position, and the same on pound as well. So that's pretty much the end of the trade. Not much more happened after that. We kind of just consolidated up until 10, where we did actually have quite a heavy retracement. So here you can see euro's pullback, which pretty much took out the entire day's range, looking like it's about to go for the high that was created just before the New York session, and the same happened of course on GBP as well. Hope this video showed you how to still be profitable in trading environments where the unexpected happens. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.